How to log in into Living Space's credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Living Space's credit card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Living Spaces, manage your account or apply. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. First, you can type in your username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option. If you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login, and just with that, you will be logged into your Living Spaces credit card account online. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option, register, and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.